afternoon, everybody. Calm Biker here. Just taking the Green Goblin out for a spin. Oh, it's popping lovely. This is the first time I've been on this bike since I've had the puncture repaired. So I have two things to trust. One is I've got to trust the repair, and the other thing is I've got to trust the wheel that was put back on by me. And I just realised about a minute ago, I've come out for this ride. I've bought a puncture repair kit to try and limit the chances of it happening again. Obviously, I was lucky I didn't have my own puncture repair kit when the puncture happened, but I was with the Northern Vlogger Danny G 1980 and Tosh23, and they all had puncture repair kits, so I got to choose the one I wanted. In the end, obviously, it didn't do the trick, but it got me home. Thanks again, Mark, for I was going to say the loan of a puncture repair, but obviously it's not really a loan, is it? I can't give you it back. The day before Wyvern's ride out, when I actually had the puncture, I realised that I was in bother from not having a puncture kit, so I ordered one. And I've now got a gummy worm kit. You know, the little rubber gadgets that you poke in, they fold in half and you glue them and then pop them out again. It's supposed to seal the hole. Only the one thing that means that puncture kit won't work if I was to get a puncture is you've got to remember to bring it with you, and I've forgotten. I'm such an idiot. But anyway, I thought I'll do a bit of exploring, see what I can find around here. I'm going to find some roads I've not been on before and try them out, see if I find anything interesting, and see if I can show you a new road or two. Let's see what I find. That over there is the Sober Hill Wind Farm where I recorded the XJ6 intro. If you've been following Wyvern Biker's tour of the North, which is quite a good little series he's putting together, he couldn't find that. A shame. I think he was going to do a spoof intro for me. Starting to get used to the mirrors on this bike now. When I first got the bike I wasn't a fan, but actually they're not too bad once you get used to them. I've just been spoilt by the XJ6, which has got brilliant mirrors. Shame really, because I spent 15 quid on a pair of mirror extenders. I'm not sure if I'm going to fit them or not now. Don't know if they'll spoil the look of the bike or not. Kind of chunky bits of metal. Been buying quite a few new bits actually. Don't know if people want to see videos of some of them. I mean, if people want to see me put the mirror extenders on, then I'll put them on. I might take them off again afterwards, but put them on and stick a video on how to do it and what difference it makes. Might be quite interesting. Maybe I'll convince myself to keep them. I've also bought an R&G radiator protector for the XJ6, and I was going to buy some grill to cover up that hole at the front. It's like an air scoop almost at the front of the fairings, but I decided that the grill stuff was a bit too expensive, so I bought a speaker grill. So I'm going to see if I can cut that up, so I might put a little video up of that. And I've also finally invested in some paddock stands for the Kawasaki, and well, I suppose the front paddock stand as well will work with the XJ6, and I've been asked to do a review of those, so I'll probably do a video review of them as well. So a few bits to show you. Scenic drive. Well, let's have a scenic ride then. So I've never been down here. It's very reminiscent of the type of road I like to cycle on, where you don't get many vehicles, but occasionally you do get dogs that don't like it that you're cycling past and decide to chase you down the road. While you go away, dog! And pedal your backside off. Ooh, pretty. Pretty watery bit. What's this then? Looks like this pretty watery bit extends right across the road. Oh, can't get to the pretty water bit. Everything down this road, gravel, mud, water. That's what you get for exploring, passing places. Why is it nowadays that people don't seem to understand what a passing place is for? I was taking some things to the local dump the other day, and it's down a road quite similar to this, with passing places. And every car that I came to would just drive past the passing place and then stop when it got to you and look kind of confused. Oh, what do I do now? There's not enough room to get past. Rather than waiting at the passing place. I had one actually block me about 15 feet from a passing place and then refused to reverse into it. Funny little road down there. Don't look to go anywhere. Out, Moggy. Was that Moggy actually doing a poo off the curb? Which way now? Turn them hot grips down a bit, get a bit warm. I think I shall go this way. I guess this is the other side of Sober Hill Wind Farm. Pheasant. God, it's a wildlife bit round here. Now, people complain about the noise from these things, but when I can hear it now, but I am right underneath it. You can just kind of hear it. It's not dissimilar to the noise I have in my white noise generating business for sleeping to drown out the tinnitus. Pretty cool, I think. I know a lot of you won't agree with me. I think it's pretty cool. What I want to see is the aeroplane that propeller came off. Must be huge! My tyre's still up. Aeroplane, probably using the wind farm as a bit of a navigation point. Huge flock of birds over there in the distance. Again, not something the camera's going to get, which is a shame. It's a shame the drift don't have a button to switch to not wide angled. Some of the things you see when you don't want it to be in action camera mode are brilliant. But you have to pretty much be stood underneath that flock of birds to get any of it on camera. And a flock of birds that size, you don't want to be stood underneath, if you know what I mean. This is classic maniac dog territory. Don't want one of them running out in front of you. It's a nice view. Pheasant again. Pheasants to the left of me, gravel to the right. Here I am, stuck on a tiny bit of tarmac. Passing place. Passing place. Moron. See? Do dislike people who go around corners at that kind of speed as well. A speed where you're having to react. Hey up, there's a flood. I think this might be the end of the road for me. Let's have a quick look. It comes out of it, but I don't really know what's up there, so do I go through? Nah. My bike's reasonably clean at the minute. Oh well, I got stopped by the water. I think I'll call that the end of my exploration for today. So I hope you enjoyed exploring with me. Hope I didn't put you off too much with my inane drivel. Thanks for watching everyone. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.